Meet Sophia and Carlos. Like you, they're iLit students. And like you, they are ready to start working, but they need some help with the student app. So let's spend a few minutes exploring together. We'll learn how to log in, use the iLit library, and complete your work. Let's get started. Sign in with the username and password your teacher provides. Complete the reader survey the first time you log in, and then you're ready to go. It's time to read. What are your options? Select the Library tab at the bottom of your screen to access thousands of books. iLit will recommend books for you based on your level and your answers on the reader survey. This may be a good place to start if you're not sure what you want to read. Click the magnifying glass to search by title, author, genre, topic, or theme. You can also search books on your level and see the books you've started or have already read. Wondering what others like to read? Click Reviewed to read book reviews from other students. You can review books too. See a book that looks interesting? You can flag books for yourself to read later, and they'll show up in your reserved list. You can reserve and read as many books as you'd like. Check out the cool features in each book. You can change the font size, translate words, listen to words or sentences, look up words in the dictionary, and take notes. iLit even tracks your progress. You can see your interactive reader level and how many words, pages, and books you've read. You already know that you can read books in your app. Can you take notes and complete your work here too? Yes, your student notebook will help you stay organized. Open up your notebook and look at the 5 tabs. Use the journal as you read to take notes or respond to prompts. The word bank is for your vocabulary. You'll have room to write definitions and use the words in sentences. Open up class notes and you'll find plenty of space to take notes during class. Let's look at my favorite part. Click the graphic organizer button and choose one to add to your page to help keep your notes organized. Watch how easy it is. Your completed assignments will be saved under the My Work tab. You might also have a Resources tab in your notebook. Visit this tab to find helpful resources like book club discussion questions. Like it or not, you'll of course have assignments to complete. The good news is they are all here in your app, so they'll be easy to keep track of. One of the first things you will do is complete the grade assessment. Make sure to do your best because this score helps determine your reading level for books, interactive readers, and assignments. Listen carefully to your teacher's directions, or be sure to watch the introduction and example videos before you begin. Take your time and answer all of the questions. One of the best things about iLit is that it sends you books and assignments that are just right for you. In order for this to work, always do your best. This is especially important for the interactive reader. This assignment helps determine your level from week to week, so make sure to complete it. Now let's look at the Assignments tab. You'll see your list of assignments. Look at the colors and numbers to determine which ones you need to complete. If the circle is green, you do not have anything to complete in that category. If the circle is red, click the category to see which assignments you need to work on. Complete your assignment and then submit your work to your teacher. You'll notice the I button on some screens. Click this for extra help or instructions. If you're watching a video, you can click AD for descriptions of the pictures, or CC to read the words being said in the video. You can even work without an internet connection. Just make sure to use the same device you were using at school and open your assignment or book in the app while connected to the internet. Then you can read the same book or work on the same assignment while offline. Everything will sync when you get back online. You'll notice the Connect star at the bottom of your screen. Your teacher may send you stars and notes to let you know how you're doing. Sometimes you'll receive a poll or survey to check your understanding. And sometimes your screen might get taken over by the lesson. This is called a broadcast. Your teacher can send you screens from the lesson so you can easily follow along. Sophia and Carlos are ready to use the student app. You should now feel ready to log in, find great books to read, and tackle your assignments. Good luck on your iLit learning journey.